Now I'm going to show you all the ingredients of the hummus salad and how to mix them. We have here the ready chickpeas, the cooked chickpeas. It's about 1 cup, half a cup of oil, canola oil. You can use olive oil too. A tablespoon of parsley. You can use dried parsley or fresh parsley. Half teaspoon of cumin, 1 clove of garlic, and half cup of made tahina. We're going to pour everything into the food processor, and we're going to start mixing it together until it will be nicely grounded. I don't put all the oil together. I'm going to add the rest of the oil a little bit later on. The chickpeas have to be very soft to make this hummus salad. Otherwise, it's not going to grind good. The grinding takes between 2 to 3 minutes. You can see that now it's nice and smooth. Everything is mixed together. Taste it to make sure that you like the taste. You might need to add a little bit of salt to it, or more garlic if you like it spicier. But that's how it should look.